Long before modern hair products, African women relied on herbal teas to care for their hair naturally, creating a nutrient-rich rinse for the scalp. This hair tea is made by boiling traditional herbs in water. Cloves help stimulate the scalp and keep hair roots strong and healthy. Rosemary improves blood flow to the scalp, helping hair grow stronger and healthier. Moringa feeds the hair with essential nutrients, helping it grow stronger and healthier. Fenugreek helps reduce shedding and supports thicker, stronger hair. Hibiscus helps reduce hair fall and keeps hair strong and healthy. These herbs were traditionally used to stimulate the scalp, reduce breakage, and keep hair strong. Simple measurements create one batch of hair tea, enough for several applications. Boil the herbs for 10 to 15 minutes, allow them to cool, and strain the liquid. The tea was applied directly to the scalp and massaged in gently, often left on without rinsing. Used 2 to 3 times a week, this routine focused on patience and consistency. Natural care takes time, but the results are worth it. Follow Evolva Official for traditional hair wisdom.